Welcome to another episode. Today we're gonna jump straight to it. We're gonna be replacing my headlight lenses. They're made out of plastic in these gen. You can see how hazy they are. They are absolutely disgusting and I'm super excited to change them. At the same time, I'm gonna be replacing the orange reflector for a clear white one. So it's gonna match the Euro models. I'm super excited for this. Let's get to it. In these models, it's super straightforward to remove the headlights. So all you have to do is remove the sliders. So you pull first one, pull the second one. There we go. And then after that, you literally just wiggle it out. I only have one hand right now, so it's not ideal. There we go. And once you do that, you unplug the connector and that is it. You have access to it. So here it is on the bench. That way I can work easily, and you can see I'm gonna try and focus. Look how it's all cracked, all of it. And here it's actually broken, and the old owner put some substance to seal it, but I'm not a big fan of it. I like my cars to be clean. So first thing we're gonna be doing is remove that small like weather strip or seal. It's just those small clips. No need for tools, just use your fingers. Pop that off, and then I'm gonna show you the next steps. So what I do next is I cut and I leave a couple centimeters so I can show you the next step. So there's still a little, just a lip of the lens, and make sure that there's one bolt around here, one there, one there, that hold. Look, it's small screws like that. And look, I'm gonna show you where they are. It's hard, I hope it focuses. Look, you can see one here, and the other at the bottom. Those you cannot cut, so be very careful, because those are what hold the bezel. Very important. And don't manipulate this too harshly, because the paint is not clear coated, it is not protected, it's super easy to peel off. I'm gonna put the new reflector in, and then what the next step is, you slowly heat up around it, just pull it out all around, and that's pretty much all there is to it. I'm gonna show you once I put the new lens, and that's it. Now that this is all removed completely, the whole lip all around is removed, after some good amount of elbow grease, it's fully removed. So thank God that's done. That's the reflector. Once it's off, you can see, look, it's 3 small tabs. That's all there is to it. You can push it actually with your fingers. That's how I did it. And you have another one here inside, which is only 2 small clips, 1, 2, and the third is just I don't know how to say it, it's just like laying on it, it's sitting on it, so there's no clips in here. You pop it off and that is it. Now I can show you how it looks with the clear one and the new lens. So I'm gonna give you a little side by side here. So obviously so it's literally brand new, and look, now you can see the difference. Look how hazy that looks. So I can't wait to show you guys the final result. I'm gonna be installing that one on here, then on the car, showing you the result, and probably cut directly to the complete final result. I won't show you the steps for the other one because it's literally the same thing, and it's taking a little bit more time while I'm recording, so I can at least focus. It's getting a bit late, it's almost 11 p.m. and I have to go tomorrow. So let's get to it. And there you have it, guys. It's all installed. It looks absolutely beautiful. It's super shiny. It looks beautiful with the clear here as well. It took some elbow grease, but the result is really nice. Super happy. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.